This is Rubel from Bfix Tech. So today we have one interesting watch from AliExpress from China. Let's see how it looks.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
Nice. So the brand is Tomi. There is lots of warning. Choking, hazard, small part, not for children under 3. So make sure to keep away everything from your child. Okay, here you can see the demo. So two wheels are basically moving. You can see. Interesting. Right? Although the watch is not running. Okay, let's see how to open. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Look at that. Look at this way with my Newton's ball. Alright. So let's do the review. Okay, so it says Tomi since 2008. This is a trendy brand for young people. Face gear, original design, creative comes from gears. Perfect combination of squares. Okay. It has two extra watch band, which is pretty nice, right? The price is not too high. It is like around, I think, $15. And the watch, holy smoke, the watch make is super cool. See, Tomi CE stainless. It says like water resistant, manufactured in China, stainless steel back. Okay, but the finishing is super cool. You can see like it's nice, super cool finishing. Okay, and its name is, you can see, Tomi Face gear. Its name is Tomi Face gear. It's interesting. I can give you that. Okay, let me peel the screen. I want to use it anyway. Oh, it looks nice really. Fantastic. And then it has seconds, minutes, hour, and also the date is there. You can see the date. Okay, that's it. Let me try out with my this is my Casio watch. Okay, so I'll just compare the size. Okay, so see, this is my Casio watch. So here is the Tomi watch. So Casio watch and Tomi watch. Casio watch is smaller. This crown is a little bit bigger considering the it's a battery powered thing, so there is no winding. It just runs on battery. Okay, the finishing is a gold, rose gold. You can see inside is black, and the glass kind of seems like it's a magnifying glass, kind of feels like a magnifying glass. It's not any kind of crystal or whatever you expect. Okay, let me peel this. Ooh, shiny. Alright, that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care.